I have this shower head. As you can see, it's very rusty. It has also some sediments on it. I'm gonna try to clean it because water is not coming very flowly through the little holes it has. So I'm gonna put it into the cleaner. I'm gonna set the timer. This is the first time I'm using it. Sorry, this is my first time using it, so I'm not sure how it works. I believe the two digits, the first two are the temperature that you want to set it up. These two, the 47 and the 27, is the current temperature of the water. So I'm gonna raise it up to 50. Okay, 45, 50. I don't see if these should be Celsius. And here I'm going to set it up for 20 minutes. Let's leave it up for 20 minutes and come back later. That's the sound of the sound waves. Let's leave it at here and get back later. Well, after 20 minutes, I don't know why it's a story. Looks pretty clean. No minerals, no rust. That part, like yeah, orange, something like that. I believe it's the color of the brass. These parts are made of brass. I'm not sure, but looks pretty clean to me. Just to make sure, I'm going to disassemble and put it back in the water another 20 minutes and see how it works. Well, looks pretty clean to me. Again, it's not rust. I believe it's a natural color. The plastic has some stains on it. I'm gonna clean it manually, but looks pretty clean. I'm gonna dry it up and paint it again and install it back. Okay, it is painted now, and I'm way off of the color, but as long as it works, I'm okay with it. Let's turn on the water and see if water comes out. Oh, look at that! Every hole is working now. Well, thank you for watching my video. Bye.